Hello, in today's short video I will show you how to delete your Temu account permanently. So let's get started. You will go onto your Temu application, you will go onto the U section. After the U section you will go to the right top corner and click the settings button, and after the settings button you will go to account security. When you click account security, down below you will have your delete your Temu account. You will click that, and after clicking you will click I want to permanently delete my Temu account. You will continue, and after that you just select why you want to delete it. So I will click I don't want to provide a reason, and when you click continue you will have an email confirmation and your Temu account will be permanently deleted. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial how to delete a Temu account. If you need any other questions, ask in the comments or visit our YouTube channel down below, and see you in the next one. Bye.